So I went outside, and I didn't think that there was going to be so much wind out, because it's been pretty hot today. But the second I stepped outside, like a wave of pollen came right in front of my face. And this year it's been the worst I've ever felt it. And the pollen is so high. And I feel so bad for myself, because every time I go outside, I just have to always sneeze every time. And it's not fun when there's so many in a row. And then I have to hold them back because I don't want people to see me. But even standing with this screen door in front of me, still coming through and tickling my nose. I'm trying to hold it because I don't want to sneeze for the 10th time in 5 minutes, but sometimes it's harder to hold it in than to just, oh, excuse me. Okay. I can hold that one back for a minute. So, sometimes if I just let my body have when I just let my body just go with it and let it get out as many as it needs. But other times I need to hold it because it's too much. It's too much pressure on my nose. Okay, I can hold that one. This is just a day in the life of someone with really bad allergies, especially living in the country. There's just triggers everywhere.